Hello, I'm Anika. I'm a rising junior at Brearley, and I am working to design and build a machine which can correctly identify different types of recycling, specifically in this case, different colors of glass, using an object detection with deep learning, and then model how it might sort them on a larger scale. So for my first milestone, I wanted to set up the Raspberry Pi and its camera, and then run a pre-trained model obtained through the site NanoNets. I wanted to run a pre-trained model first before creating my own model specifically for the purposes of sorting recycling, so that if, or should I say when, I run into issues later in the process, I'm more able to isolate the problem and find the solution. So I created 3 different programs for my first milestone just to test the functions of the pre-trained model and of Raspberry Pi in general. So my first program sends an image. The one that I chose was of a stop sign to NanoNets to be processed, and the model correctly identified the image as of a stop sign. My second program was only to test the Raspberry Pi camera, which is right here. So it took 2 test photos, one with the camera flipped, which is how it would naturally be if I didn't add a second function which I used for the second photo, which flips it and basically makes it right side up. And then I also took a video, even though my current plan doesn't really call for a video, but I thought that it would be necessary and interesting to just test the video functionality. Finally, I combined these 2 programs, and using the pre-trained model, I had the Raspberry Pi take a photo of a knife, and then send the photo to NanoNets to be processed, and then return with the identification of a knife. So thanks for watching my first milestone video.